एलिफेंट कितना प्यारा और दोस्तों जैसा है।
Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of dinosaurs, and I've got some fascinating facts that might just surprise you. Get ready to have your mind blown. Did you know that some dinosaurs were actually quite small? No bigger than a chicken? It's true. We often picture giants, but many species were much more delicate. And speaking of size, the largest dinosaur ever discovered, a Giganotosaurus, weighed as much as 10 elephants. Imagine the ground shaking with every step. Here's a fun one. Not all dinosaurs were scaly. Evidence suggests that many, especially theropods like the ancestors of birds, were covered in feathers. Think vibrant plumage, not just drab colors. You might be surprised to learn that dinosaurs lived on every continent, including Antarctica. Even in icy conditions, these resilient creatures found ways to thrive. The lifespan of dinosaurs varied greatly. While some may have lived for decades, others, particularly smaller species, likely had much shorter lives, similar to modern reptiles. Contrary to popular belief, not all dinosaurs went extinct at once. While the asteroid impact was a major event, some smaller dinosaur lineages, specifically birds, survived and evolved into the species we see today. Fossilized dinosaur nests have been found, revealing that many species cared for their young, much like modern birds and reptiles. They weren't just laying eggs and leaving them. Some dinosaurs had incredibly complex social behaviors. Evidence from fossil sites suggests herd animals, and even some predators, may have hunted in groups. The sheer diversity of dinosaur diets is astonishing. From strict herbivores to carnivores and even omnivores, they occupied a vast range of ecological niches. Finally, the study of dinosaurs is constantly evolving. New discoveries are made regularly, and our understanding of these ancient giants is always being refined and updated. I hope you enjoyed these surprising dinosaur facts. It's amazing how much we're still learning about Earth's ancient past. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this interesting, please consider following for more fascinating explorations.
World's most expensive parrots. Did you know there are parrots worth more than luxury cars? Today we're uncovering the world's most expensive parrots, rare, exotic, and breathtaking birds that only the super rich can dream of owning. 1. Spix's macaw, the $200,000 ghost bird. Nicknamed Little Blue Macaw, native to Brazil's Caatinga forests. Round 55 centimeters 22 inches, weighing 300 to 320 grams. Soft shades of sky blue, with a grayish head and long tail, extinct in the wild, only survives in breeding programs. The inspiration for the animated movie Rio, estimated up to $200,000 if ever Act 1 available, but mostly priceless because trade is restricted. Under conservation laws. 2. Hyacinth macaw, the gentle giant, world's largest flying parrot, up to 1 meter long with a 4-foot wingspan. Gorgeous cobalt blue feathers with striking yellow patches round the beak and eyes. Native to South America, Brazil, Bolivia, Paraguay. Weight 1.2 to 1.7 kilograms. Highly intelligent, social, playful, but needs constant attention and strong cages. Their beak can crack coconuts. Lifespan is 50 years with proper care. Price is between $10,000, $40,000, plus thousands more yearly for care. Still found in the wild, but classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss and illegal trade. So, which parrot wins the crown? The Spix's macaw is the rarest and most expensive, almost priceless due to extinction. The hyacinth macaw is the largest and a luxury pet, costing as much as a brand new car. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of rare parrots, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Which one would you love to see in real life? The ghost blue macaw or the giant hyacinth macaw? Comment below.
5 terrifying animals you wouldn't want to meet. Nature is full of wonders, but it's also home to creatures so terrifying they could haunt your nightmares. From monstrous reptiles to deadly predators lurking in the shadows, these animals remind us that the natural world is not always safe. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most terrifying animals on Earth. At number 5, meet the Goliath tigerfish. Found in the Congo River, this freshwater monster looks like it came straight out of a horror movie. Its razor-sharp teeth resemble a crocodile's, and each one is built for tearing flesh apart. Growing up to 5 feet long and weighing more than 100 pounds, this beast is feared even by crocodiles. Local fishermen call it the demon fish, and one look at it explains why. Next is the black mamba, Africa's deadliest snake. Known for its speed, it can slither at nearly 12 miles per hour. Its venom is so powerful that a single bite can kill a human in less than an hour if left untreated. Unlike many snakes that avoid confrontation, the black mamba is notoriously aggressive when threatened, earning it a reputation as one of the most feared reptiles on Earth. Number 3 is the Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard. Reaching up to 10 feet in length, it has venom-laced saliva filled with deadly bacteria. Its bite alone is enough to cause shock and blood loss in its prey. What makes it even scarier? The Komodo stalks its victims quietly, waiting for the venom to weaken them before tearing them apart piece by piece. At number 2, the ocean's apex predator, the great white shark. Measuring up to 20 feet long, with hundreds of serrated teeth that can slice through bone, the great white has terrified humans for centuries. It can sense a single drop of blood from miles away and strike from below with lightning speed. It's not just its size that terrifies, it's the silent stalking that makes it a nightmare of the deep. And at number 1, the deadliest reptile on Earth, the saltwater crocodile. Growing over 20 feet long and weighing more than a ton, this prehistoric predator has the strongest bite force ever recorded. Crocs are masters of ambush, waiting patiently before exploding out of the water with terrifying power. From humans to water buffalo, nothing is safe from their crushing jaws. If you ever find yourself in crocodile territory, you're in their world. These terrifying animals prove that nature can be as deadly as it is beautiful. Which of these creatures do you think is the scariest? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible wildlife countdowns. Until next time, stay safe and stay curious.
Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into a world where the prehistoric meets the hilarious. Yes, we're talking about the comical side of dinosaurs. Imagine a time when these magnificent creatures roamed the earth, not just as fearsome predators or gentle giants, but as the stars of their own laugh-out-loud adventures. Picture this. A T-Rex trying to make a sandwich. With those tiny arms, it's a recipe for disaster. As it struggles to spread the peanut butter, the whole kitchen becomes a chaotic mess. You can almost hear the laughter echoing through the ages as the T-Rex accidentally flings the jelly across the room, landing right on the unsuspecting head of a Triceratops. The Triceratops, bewildered and sticky, can't help but let out a confused bellow, adding to the hilarity of the moment. Now, let's not forget about our feathered friends. Imagine a group of velociraptors trying to figure out how to use a smartphone. They're all gathered around, squawking in frustration as they accidentally take selfies instead of ordering takeout. The sight of these swift hunters struggling with technology is enough to make anyone chuckle. Their expressions of sheer confusion and determination are relatable, reminding us that even the fiercest creatures can have their clumsy moments. And what about the pterodactyls? Picture them attempting to play a game of catch with a beach ball. With their impressive wingspan, you'd think they'd have it down, but instead, they keep missing the ball and crashing into each other mid-air. The comedic timing of their flapping wings and startled squawks creates a scene that's both chaotic and endearing. It's a reminder that sometimes the best moments come from unexpected mishaps. As we explore this whimsical world, we can't overlook the friendships that form among these prehistoric pals. Imagine a Stegosaurus and a Brachiosaurus teaming up to build the ultimate treehouse. The Stegosaurus, with its spiky back, is great at lifting heavy branches, while the Brachiosaurus, with its long neck, can reach the highest spots. Their teamwork leads to a series of funny misunderstandings, like when the Stegosaurus accidentally sits on the roof, causing it to collapse in a heap of laughter and leaves. In this vibrant world of prehistoric comedy, we see that humor transcends time. It reminds us that no matter how big or small, everyone has their quirks and moments of hilarity. So, whether you're a fan of dinosaurs or just in need of a good laugh, this imaginative journey into the past is sure to brighten your day. Thank you for joining me on this delightful adventure. If you enjoyed exploring the lighter side of dinosaurs, don't forget to follow or subscribe for more fun content. Until next time, keep smiling and embracing the joy in every moment.
Raised by the proboscis monkey, one of nature's most distinctive primates. Native to Borneo, these incredible creatures are instantly recognizable by their remarkable, oversized nose. Male proboscis monkeys boast an extraordinary nose, growing up to 7 inches long. This isn't just for show. It acts as a resonant chamber, amplifying their calls to attract females and assert dominance. It's a built-in megaphone, truly making them the nose stars of the jungle. Beyond their impressive schnoz, proboscis monkeys are surprisingly agile. Unlike most primates, they are expert swimmers, often plunging into rivers to escape predators or forage. Their partially webbed feet are perfectly adapted for aquatic life. These unique monkeys face significant threats from habitat loss. Understanding their fascinating adaptations is crucial for protecting these vital species and their precious rainforest homes.
Welcome to the Proboscis Monkey Trivia Challenge. Test your knowledge about these fascinating primates from Borneo. Get ready to learn and have fun. On which island are proboscis monkeys primarily found? A. Borneo, B. Sumatra, C. Java, D. Sulawesi. The correct answer is Borneo. These monkeys are endemic to the island, inhabiting mangrove forests, swamps, and coastal areas. What is the primary food source for proboscis monkeys? A. Leaves, B. Fruits, C. Insects, D. All of the above. The answer is leaves. Proboscis monkeys are primarily folivores, meaning their diet mainly consists of leaves, though they also eat some fruits and seeds. What is the primary purpose of the male proboscis monkey's large nose? A. Defense, B. Mate attraction, C. Temperature regulation, D. All of the above. The answer is mate attraction. The larger nose amplifies their calls and is believed to be a signal of virility, attracting females. What is the current conservation status of the proboscis monkey? A. Endangered, B. Vulnerable, C. Critically endangered, D. Near threatened. The answer is endangered. Habitat loss due to deforestation and hunting are major threats to their survival. Which of these is the proboscis monkey's closest relative? A. Red colobus, B. Langur, C. Macaque, D. Orangutan. The answer is langur. Both belong to the same subfamily of leaf-eating monkeys, sharing similar digestive adaptations. Thank you for participating in our proboscis monkey trivia. How did you score? Share your results in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wildlife trivia.
Dive into the fascinating world of the mantis shrimp with our exciting trivia quiz. Test your knowledge about this incredible creature. Here's your first question. Which of these shrimp is known for its incredibly powerful punch? A. Pistol shrimp, B. Tiger shrimp, C. Man shrimp, or A. D. Ninja shrimp? Answer is a C. Mantis shrimp. Their punch is so strong, it can create cavitation bubbles that collapse and produce heat and light. Next question. What is the range of vision for each eye of the mantis shrimp? A. 180 degrees, B. 270 degrees, C. 360 degrees, or D. 90 degrees? The correct answer is C. 360 degrees. Each eye moves independently, giving them a complete view of their surroundings. A question. What is the typical lifespan of a mantis in the wild? A. 5 to 10 years, B. 10 to 15 years, C. 15 to 20 years, or D. 20 to 30 years? The answer is C. 15 to 20 years. These underwaters can live for quite a long time. Thanks for taking our mantis shrimp trivia quiz. How did you do? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal trivia.
Tarsiers are some of the most unique and fascinating primates. Tarsiers are among the smallest primates in the world. Adult tarsiers typically weigh only 3.5 to 5 ounces, 100 to 150 grams, and have a body length of around 4 to 6 inches, 10 to 15 centimeters, not including their long tails. Tarsiers have incredibly large eyes in relation to their body size. Their eyes are about the size of their brain. Each eye is around 1.5 centimeters in diameter, which is large enough to prevent them from moving their eyes. Instead, they rotate their heads up to 180 degrees to look around. Tarsiers are nocturnal animals, meaning they are most active at night. Their large eyes help them see in low-light conditions, and their excellent hearing aids in hunting insects, birds, and small vertebrates in the dark. Tarsiers are fantastic jumpers. They have incredibly long and strong hind limbs, which allow them to leap up to 10 times their body length in a single bound. This helps them navigate through the dense forest and catch prey. Tarsiers have long, slender fingers and toes, with the second and third toes being especially elongated. These adaptations help them grasp branches and hold on to tree trunks while moving through their arboreal habitat. Unlike most primates that are omnivorous or herbivorous, tarsiers are strictly carnivorous. They primarily eat insects like crickets, moths, and beetles, but will also hunt small birds, lizards, and even other small primates. Tarsiers have large, mobile ears that can rotate independently to detect even the faintest sounds. Their hearing is so acute that they can detect the smallest of prey moving in the dark. Tarsiers are solitary or live in small family groups. Unlike many other primates that are more social, tarsiers are very territorial and typically prefer to be alone, except during mating seasons. Many species of tarsiers are endangered or threatened due to habitat loss, deforestation, and illegal pet trade. The Philippine tarsia, in particular, is a species of great conservation concern. Tarsiers are considered one of the most primitive living primates, with fossils dating back over 45 million years. They are believed to be closer in lineage to early primates than other modern-day species. Tarsiers' unique adaptations make them one of the most interesting animals to study. They almost seem like creatures from another world, with their large eyes and extraordinary abilities. Ever heard of a tarsia before or seen one in a documentary? Moose are the largest members of the deer family, Cervidae. Male moose can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms, and stand over 6 feet tall at the shoulder. Male moose grow large, palmate hand-shaped, antlers that can span up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters. These antlers are used in mating displays and for battling other males during the rut. Moose are excellent swimmers and can swim up to 6 miles per hour, 10 kilometers per hour. They are known to swim across lakes or rivers to find food, especially aquatic plants. Moose are herbivores with an appetite for a wide range of vegetation. They love to eat leaves, twigs, bark, and especially aquatic plants like water lilies. Moose are well suited to cold climates. Their thick fur helps insulate them from freezing temperatures, and their long legs help them navigate through deep snow. Long legs for deep snow. Their long, powerful legs help them move through deep snow, while their large hooves act like snowshoes, preventing them from sinking into the snow. Moose calves are born weighing around 30 pounds, 13.5 kilograms, and can stand and walk within a few hours of birth. By the time they reach 1 year, they can weigh up to 400 pounds, 180 kilograms. During the rut mating season, male moose become very vocal and engage in dramatic displays of dominance, including swimming battles and scent marking to attract females. While typically solitary animals, moose can become quite territorial during the breeding season. Males will mark their territory with urine and scrape their antlers on trees to signal their presence. Good sense of smell. Moose have relatively poor eyesight, but an excellent sense of smell. They rely on their keen sense of smell to detect predators or other moose. Moose are fascinating animals with some really unique adaptations to their environment. Have you ever seen one in person? They're truly awe-inspiring when you see them up close.
Towering at over 12 feet tall and stretching nearly 40 feet long, its massive jaws held teeth the size of bananas. With a single bite, it could crush bone with ease. T. Rex was a master predator of the late Cretaceous, ruling the land with unmatched power. Triceratops, the armored defender. Where there are predators, there must also be defenders. Triceratops, with its 3 deadly horns and massive bony frill, stood as one of the most iconic plant eaters. Its horns could pierce the flesh of any attacker, while the frill protected its neck. These creatures roamed in herds, using their strength and armor to survive in a dangerous world. Stegosaurus, the plated giant. Further back in time, during the Jurassic period, lived the Stegosaurus. Famous for the row of plates along its back and its spiked tail, this dinosaur was a walking fortress. Though its brain was small, its defenses were mighty. A swing of its tail could deliver a fatal blow to any predator daring to attack. Woolly mammoth, the Ice Age titans. Fast forward to the frozen plains of the Ice Age, the woolly mammoth roamed in great herds, covered in thick fur to withstand the bitter cold. Their enormous curved tusks were used to clear snow and fight rivals. For thousands of years, they lived alongside humans, shaping ancient cultures and myths. Today, only their bones remain as a reminder of this frozen giant.
Smilodon, the saber-toothed cat. In the same icy age lived Smilodon, better known as the saber-toothed tiger. With fangs up to 7 inches long, it was a predator built for power rather than speed. Unlike modern cats, Smilodon ambushed its prey, pinning down massive animals such as bison and young mammoths. Its teeth were its deadliest weapon, striking fear into all that crossed its path. Plesiosaur, the ocean's long-necked hunter. While giants ruled the land, the seas held their own monsters. The plesiosaur, with its long neck and 4 flippers, glided through prehistoric oceans. It likely used its neck to strike quickly at fish, snapping them up with needle-like teeth. Some say these creatures inspired the legend of the Loch Ness Monster, a shadow of the ancient deep. Archaeopteryx, the first bird. In the skies, evolution was at work. Archaeopteryx, half dinosaur and half bird, was one of the earliest known creatures to take flight. With feathers, wings, and sharp claws, it bridged the gap between reptiles and modern birds. Small in size, but mighty in importance, Archaeopteryx is a symbol of nature's great experiment with flight. Megalodon, the ocean's apex predator. If the land had its king, then the oceans had a monster of their own. Megalodon, the largest shark to ever exist, grew up to 50 feet long, bigger than a bus. With jaws strong enough to crush a whale's skull, it was the ultimate predator of the seas. Thankfully, this terror disappeared 3 million years ago. Diplodocus, the gentle giant. Among the longest creatures to ever walk the earth was Diplodocus. Stretching up to 90 feet, it used its whip-like tail for defense and its long neck to strip leaves from towering trees. Despite its size, Diplodocus was a peaceful plant eater, living in herds and shaping the forests of the Jurassic. Ichthyosaur, the dolphin of the dinosaur age. In the oceans, another remarkable reptile thrived, the ichthyosaur. With a body shaped like a dolphin, it was built for speed. Ichthyosaurs gave birth to live young, just like whales today, and were expert hunters of fish and squid. They remind us that even in the time of dinosaurs, the sea was full of life and wonder.
Unveiling the unseen, hidden facts about dinosaurs you probably never knew. Fascinated by dinosaurs? But do you know about the lesser-known, hidden facts that are just as interesting? Did you know? Dinosaurs had feathers. Yes, the fearsome T-Rex had a fluffy coat, radically changing our perceptions of these ancient beasts. Let's venture into their diet. Not all dinosaurs were meat-eaters. Many, like the Triceratops, were herbivores, surviving solely on vegetation. Bet you didn't know this. Dinosaurs flourished for over 160 million years. That's significantly longer than humans have existed on Earth. Climate change ended their dominant reign. A meteor impact and drastic climate change likely led to their extinction, leaving only fossils behind. All dinosaurs didn't vanish though. The descendants of one dinosaur group live among us today. Can you guess? Yes, they're the birds. Join us on this incredible journey as we delve deeper into the world of dinosaurs, revealing facts that are sure to surprise you.
Unmasking the flamboyant flamingo, a hilarious dive into their world. Have you ever wondered why flamingos always stand on one leg? Well, it's because they're just inherently lazy. You might think that pink is their natural color, but in reality, flamingos are born gray. They owe their vibrant hue to their diet. Did you know that flamingos can fly? Yes, those skinny, long-legged creatures can take to the skies, and at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. The next time you see a group of flamingos, remember to call them a flamboyance. Yes, a group of flamingos is indeed called a flamboyance. Flamingos are the masters of romance with their intricate and large-scale group dances. They certainly know how to woo their partners. So, the next time you see a flamingo, don't just admire its beauty. Remember these fun facts and impress your friends.
Unlocking the mysteries of the peahen. Peahens, the often overlooked female peacocks, hold extraordinary allure. Let's delve into a world centered around their captivating reality. Contrary to popular belief, peahens aren't drab. Their earth-tone feathers are a strategic display of camouflage, ensuring their survival in the wild. Peahens also have a knack for recognizing faces. This exceptional ability enables them to distinguish between friendly and potentially harmful beings. The courtship dance of the peacock is well known, but did you know peahens critically evaluate this performance? They're selective, ensuring the survival of the fittest. Motherhood in the peahen world is a solo endeavor. The peahen solely incubates the eggs, raises the chicks, and protects them from predators. Lastly, peahens share a unique quality with humans. They live beyond their reproductive years. This phenomenon, called grandmother effect, is quite rare in nature. Join us next time as we continue to uncover extraordinary facts about the fascinating creatures that share our world. Remember, there's always more to learn.
Unearthing the mysteries of the fluffy cow. Ever wondered about the origin of the irresistibly charming fluffy cows? They're more than just a cute, cuddly spectacle. Believe it or not, these woolly bovines are not a distinct breed. Instead, they are regular cows with a fancy haircut, given a unique makeover by people. This grooming process takes several hours, involving washing, blow-drying, and trimming to create that iconic fluffy appearance that garners so much attention. But why all this effort, you might ask? It began as a trend within the cattle industry to make cows stand out at livestock shows. Yet, it's not all for show. This meticulous grooming also helps to keep the cows clean, reducing the chance of infections and diseases. Despite their endearing looks, remember they are still large animals. Always approach with caution and respect their space. Fluffy or not, safety is paramount. Join us next time as we delve into more intriguing aspects of our world. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious.